guys, welcome to Multiplying Polynomials. Now, yesterday we multiplied maybe a monomial by a binomial. Remember that? It really just meant to distribute. Okay, so that was pretty easy. But today we have a binomial times another binomial. See how they both have two terms in them? And it's just a little bit harder. We just have to do this step twice. Okay, so I want you to notice how I make these arrows here. We're going to multiply the first term, distribute it into both from the second parenthesis. And then we're going to take the second term and we're also going to distribute it to the terms in the second parenthesis. So I call this the double rainbow method, because see how there's kind of like a rainbow on top and bottom? Some people call it FOIL. And if you like FOIL, I'll tell you what that stands for. F means you multiply the first ones. O stands for you multiply the outers. I stands for you multiply the inners. And L stands for you multiply the last ones. So however you guys think of it, if you want to use the word FOIL, if you just want to think distribute this one and then distribute this one, let's try one. All right, so number one, our first multiplying two binomials. Let's do it. So I'm going to show you guys my way first. I'm going to take the x and I'm going to distribute it to both terms in the second parenthesis. So what's x times x? That's x squared. And then what's x times negative 8? That's negative 8x. Okay, we're halfway done. Now I'm going to take the 1 and I'm going to distribute or multiply it to both of these guys as well. So 1 times x is positive 1x, and 1 times negative 8 is negative 8. And then all you have to do is see if there's any like terms to add together. And it looks like these guys are both x's, so we're going to add those together. And then final answer is now x squared. If you add negative 8 plus 1, x, it's negative 7x, and then we still have the minus 8. All right, so that is multiplying two binomials. Let's do another one. So first take the first term and you're going to multiply it to both of these. So 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times negative 2 is negative 6x. And then we're going to take the negative 4 and do the same thing. Multiply to both of those. So negative 4 times x is negative 4x, and negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8. All right, then we're going to go through and add like terms, and again it looks like these guys are like terms. Okay, so if we put those together, we end up with the 3x squared. When you add these, you get minus 10x, and then you still have the plus 8. All right, not too bad, right? Okay, now number 3, I'm going to talk you guys through FOIL. If you like this way, do it again. If you want to see the FOIL way, I'll show it on this one. So FOIL way says you start by multiplying the first ones in each parenthesis. A times 2a is 2a squared. Then O stands for the outers. These are the outers. A times 1 is plus A. Then you do the inners, and these are the inners. Negative 4 times 2a is negative 8a. And then you do the last ones, which are these two. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. So if you notice, it's exactly the same as my way. It's just a different way to set it up. And then again, you look for the like terms, and it's these two right here. So we're left with 2a squared. 1a minus 8a is minus 7a. And then you have minus 4. Okay, you would get the same answer if you did it my way. Now, challenge problem. What if we have a binomial into a trinomial? Guess what you have to do? Take that m, you got to triple distribute it to all three in the second parenthesis. So m times 3m squared is 3m cubed. M times negative 2m is negative 2m squared. And m times 6 is 6m. Okay, now take the 2 and you're going to triple distribute it to all of these. So 2 times 3m squared is plus 6m squared. 2 times negative 2m is negative 4m. And 2 times 6 is 12. Okay, now this one's a little different. We're going to have more like terms. So let's go ahead and circle all the like terms. This one and this one are going to be like terms. And then this one and this one are going to be like terms. Okay, so final answer. Start with the highest power, 3m cubed. If we add the m squareds, negative 2 plus 6 is 4 of the m squareds. And if we add the m's, 6 plus negative 4 is 2 of the m's, and then we still have a plus 12. Okay, so that was just a little bit harder. Okay, guys, let me know if you have any questions, but that is how you multiply binomials and trinomials. Thanks for watching.